everyone. My name is Andrea and I'm McCown Contracting. Along with my brother Ben, we do hundreds of annual SPCC inspections every year.
There tends to be some confusion by the oil and gas operators about the importance of the annual inspections and how they differ from the daily visits that are performed by the pumper.
And to clarify, we actually have a couple of tips to help you guys out. Annual SPC inspections are required by federal law to be completed once per calendar year. This annual inspection has its own form and must be signed by the inspector and dated. There are all kinds of variations for an annual inspection form. The annual inspection is different from the daily or weekly walkthroughs a pumper might do. An annual inspection can be done by a pumper, operator, foreman, or third-party company like McCown Contracting. Finally, these inspections must be kept on file for 3 years and be able to present them should an EPA audit occur.
Thanks, everybody.
Yeah.